you looking for the top 5 touchscreen car stereos you need to see? When you search for the best touchscreen car stereo, everything looks the same. Same features, same flashy claims. But to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper.
Product number 1, Hauxi Q9S Wireless CarPlay Screen. Let's kick things off with the Hauxi Q9S Wireless CarPlay Screen. Priced at $93.49. This portable 9-inch touchscreen caught my eye with its sleek design and wireless functionality. If you want a straightforward way to upgrade a car without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. This device is all about convenience. It features both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, letting you connect your phone via Bluetooth and Wi-Fi effortlessly. Imagine accessing GPS navigation, music, and your messages all from one screen without fumbling around with your device. The 1080p video capture resolution means you get clear visuals, and the included night vision backup camera ensures safety when reversing. You can clearly see what's behind you, even in low light. Now, I'll be real with you. Some users pointed out that the installation can be a bit tricky if you're not tech savvy. But here's the thing. Once you get it set up, the seamless integration with your smartphone makes it all worthwhile. It's really great for those who want modern features without the steep price tag. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable upgrade to your vehicle's audio system. Skip this one if you need a built-in GPS unit, since this relies on your phone for navigation. Given its price and features, you're getting a lot for your money. Now, if the installation hassle of the Q9S concerns you, this next
Product number 2, Lead Fan 7-inch Double-DIN Car Stereo. Next up is the Lead Fan 7-inch Double-DIN Car Stereo, which retails for just $39.99. This caught my attention because it's a budget-friendly option that doesn't skimp on features. If you want an easy-to-use system that delivers on performance without costing a fortune, this is worth a serious look. What I love about this stereo is its 7-inch HD touchscreen, which offers great visuals for the price. It features Bluetooth 5.0 for hands-free calls, which is super helpful when you're on the road. Plus, it supports phone mirroring, so you can have your navigation and music displayed right on the screen. You won't have to squint at your phone while driving anymore. However, there's a catch. Some users mentioned that the audio quality isn't as strong as they expected, especially at higher volumes. But here's the thing, for casual listening and basic functionality, it gets the job done, and you can always tweak the EQ settings if you want to enhance the sound. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a no-frills solution to upgrade your car's audio system. Skip this one if you prioritize high-end audio quality, as it may leave some audiophiles wanting more. For its price, it's a solid deal. Alright, that was the solid option, but the next
Product number 3, iWii 11-inch Wireless CarPlay Screen. Coming in at $149.99, the iWii 11-inch Wireless CarPlay Screen is a standout option. What really grabbed my attention is its massive screen size, which makes it perfect for anyone who loves a big display. If you want a more luxurious feel in your car with all the bells and whistles, this is worth a serious look. This stereo features wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so you can control your favorite apps seamlessly. The voice control feature is a game changer. You can make calls and navigate using just your voice, keeping your hands on the wheel. Plus, the built-in 4K dashcam and 1080p backup camera add an extra layer of safety and convenience. You're covered in case of any incidents. Now, I'll be honest with you. The size might be an issue for smaller vehicles, as it could block your view. Some compact car owners might want to think twice before getting this one. But if you have a larger vehicle or don't mind adjusting the mount, the features and display quality are hard to beat. This is perfect for you if you want a large, high-quality display with advanced features. Skip this one if you drive a smaller car where the size could be a problem. For its features and quality, it's definitely worth the investment.
Product number 4, PASLDA 7-inch Portable Wireless CarPlay Screen. Next is the PASLDA 7-inch Portable Wireless CarPlay Screen, priced at $46.99. This little device surprised me with its versatility. If you want an affordable, portable solution that fits in any vehicle, this is worth a serious look. The PASLDA supports both wired and wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, enabling you to connect your phone without hassle. The 720p touchscreen offers decent visuals, and the built-in backup camera ensures safe parking. Plus, it's super easy to install with a suction cup mount, which means you won't be fumbling with complicated setups. However, some reviews noted that the screen's sensitivity could be hit or miss, especially in direct sunlight. But here's the thing, for the price, it's still a fantastic option for those who need something portable and functional without the frills. This is perfect for you if you want a budget-friendly, portable option that's easy to set up. Skip this one if you need a premium experience or plan to use it in bright sunlight frequently. Given the cost, you're getting solid value here. Now, if that portability caught your interest, the final product on my list offers both portability and advanced features.
Product number 5, GB Ear Single DIN Car Stereo. Last but not least, we have the GB Ear Single DIN Car Stereo for $64.99. What stands out to me is the advanced in-cell touchscreen technology, which offers better clarity and responsiveness. If you're looking for a responsive touchscreen experience in a single DIN ProMat, this is worth a serious look. This stereo supports both wireless and wired Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, giving you flexibility and connectivity. It also features a 1080p backup camera for safer parking. The sound quality is impressive, especially with the customizable EQ settings, allowing you to tailor the audio to your liking, perfect for music lovers. But I should mention that some users reported issues with the Bluetooth connection dropping occasionally. Now that's a bummer, but if you're someone who doesn't mind reconnecting now and then, it's not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want a responsive touchscreen and solid sound quality in a single DIN unit. Skip this one if you need a rock-solid Bluetooth connection without interruptions. For the features it packs, it's a great value. In conclusion, we've covered 5 fantastic options for touchscreen car stereos, depending on your budget and needs, whether it's the affordable LED fan or
Product number 6, Best Pick. To wrap things up, we explored a range of touchscreen car stereos, from the budget-friendly LED fan to the feature-rich IIWE. Each one has its unique perks, so think about what features matter most to you. Whether you prioritize price, size, or functionality, there's definitely an option that fits your needs.